Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change color picture black to white in Adobe Express. So get ready started. At first open your document. Firstly in this video now you can see then I show the Adobe Express interface. Now going to go to Adobe Express. Now for click. Then wait some for a moment. Then we show the interface, then select from a start from your document. Now for select click. Now find your picture. Then select from picture. Now click for open option. Now choose from picture size. Now choose from square and landscape and portrait. Now choose from landscape. Now you can see then show picture, this picture, change the color. Now going to the effect option. Now select from the grayscale color. Now for click, that it's. Now you can see picture change color black and white in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.